Can we change username on Snapchat before 1 year? Today we're going to answer one of the most common questions I get. Can we change your Snapchat username before the 1 year mark? Or what to do if Snapchat won't let you change it at all? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Snapchat only allows you to change your username once every year, which can be really frustrating if you want to switch things up sooner. But don't worry, there are some tricks and workarounds to get your username changed when you're stuck. So let's dive right in. First, let's clear something up. Snapchat doesn't let you change your display name, the one people who see when they add you, but your username, the one that's tied to your account and can't be changed too often and is locked down for 12 months. If you're hoping to change your Snapchat username, you're probably running into the problem where it says you have to wait for the 1 year cooldown period. But here's the thing, it's not impossible to make a change. There are a couple of ways to work around it. Now, simply open your Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji. Now, hit on the settings icon. In the settings icon under the profile section, you'll see your current display name. As you can see here, just tap on it and you can change it to whatever you like. This is a great way to give your Snapchat profile a fresh look without having to wait for that 1 year username restriction. Now, if you really need to change your username and it's been less than a year, there are a couple of things you can try. But remember, these are workarounds and aren't officially supported by Snapchat. The easiest way to get a brand new username is to create a completely new Snapchat account. Now, I know this sounds extreme, but it's an option if you absolutely want a new username before the 1 year wait is up. Another option is you can simply reach out to Snapchat support. You can do that by going to the settings icon, and here you can simply go to the help support center and you can explain your situation and see if they speed up the process for you. But again, this is rare and they only help in certain situations. And that's it. While Snapchat doesn't let you change your username before then once a year, you can always switch up your display name or even create a new account if you really need to.